April 28th, 2025, taking the video of the 55 Chevy after the transmission was removed, resealed, freshened up, and put back in the 55 Chevy. So you can see we got rid of that chrome aftermarket pan and redid the transmission, all the seals, all the internals redone. So here it is. The other thing, I don't know if you noticed or not, but you see how we did the inboard mounted springs so that you could put a bigger tire on the back and not have problems with clearance or removing the tires. So that's the kit that's done to do this. A little dusty from sitting in the barn, basically in the building where we keep the cars. So there it is, April 28th, 2025. Thanks.